Okay, hey guys, welcome back to another Pizza Steel video on the OG Pizza Steel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick and easy pizza dough recipe. So all you need is some self-rising flour and some plain Greek yogurt. So we got some right here, and what you want to do is use equal amounts of each. So we have a cup of Greek yogurt here and 1 cup of self-rising flour. So we're going to go ahead and add this in here. Add it in there. So, and start mixing. Okay guys, so here's how our dough is looking so far, our pizza dough. So again, this is only 2 ingredients guys. This is just 1 cup of self-rising flour and 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. And we mix it all together and we're gonna let it sit for about half hour or so, then we're gonna make our pizza. Okay guys, so while the pizza dough is resting in the fridge, we're gonna go ahead and get our pizza steel preheated, and we're gonna set the oven to 400 degrees here. And we're gonna let it sit in there for about 45 minutes to an hour. Okay guys, we got our pizza made here. Next, we're gonna throw it in the oven. Okay guys, so here's how our Greek yogurt and self-rising flour dough turned out on our pizza. You can see it looks pretty good. Got some flour on it because we had some flour on the board, but it looks pretty dang good. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and slice it up, and let's you guys know how it tastes. Okay, let's slice this thing up. Alright guys, let's give it a shot. Here's what we got here. They're sliced. Yeah, it's pretty good. So yeah guys, I just want to show you this quick pizza dough recipe. Like I said, all you need is Greek yogurt and self-rising flour. Use the same amount of each, mix them together, and you got pizza dough. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.